Alright y'all, what is up, what is up, what is up? I was gonna film tomorrow, but I decided I have free time on my hands right now, why don't I do that? So this is another project that I'm gonna be doing, but here we have a package. CS Tuning. Most of y'all may know that this is products for European cars. Urgh. Oh my gosh. If these springs are not the shortest springs I've ever seen, oh, they're like brand new too. Dude, my car is gonna be so low with these on. Oh my goodness. Look how tall they are compared to my car is gonna be so freaking low. Alright, so these springs are meant for a BMW E36, E46. They're meant for the rear coils, and that's why it's from ECS Tuning. But they will also fit over the coilover setup I have in the front, and therefore making it lower. So yeah, I might sound crazy, but these are going on 62, 140, 12. So 12 kilogram spring rate, 140 millimeters high. I think that's what it means, and 62 inner diameter. Alright, so this is the subframe of my car right here. We have like this much room to work with. And we're going lower, so let's do it. This is the old shock and strut assembly. And I was already pretty low on these, but if you take this, that is the difference between the new spring and the old spring right there. That's what we're going to be swapping on today. This car is going to be so freaking low. It's going to be crazy. Let's do it. Look at this difference. Alright, it's a new day and I gotta get back to work on the suspension, starting where I left off last night. So let's go and do that. We're just gonna finish up the driver's side. Brightness please. Finish up the driver's side and swap that spring out for the shorter one. Okay, so I overlooked something last night, and it appears. Okay, so the inner diameter of this spring right here is smaller than the inner diameter of the original spring. Now, that gives us a problem because that means this spring will not sit flat on the coilover, and the top hat will not fit onto it properly because this ring on the inside is too big for it. So instead of, I don't want to shave in the diameter of the spring, so what we're gonna do is cut this ring inside off. So basically it's gonna look like this, but without that. So it's just gonna look like that. That's what we're gonna shave off so that this can sit flat. Because if you look at it, alright, it doesn't sit inside. Alright, so basically this has a lip. See that on top of this ring right here? This part right here. This collar has a lip, and this spring, since it's not made for it, it doesn't sit flush over it. It's sitting on top of this ring right here. So in order to make it sit flush, we're going to cut this part off so that it'll fit and not be dangerous. Getting a little hard to cut. You can see through it now, so we're just going to cut that off. Almost done. And it's cut off, just like that. Now it'll fit. No preload, gang. Damn. This is so bad. No preload. Alright, so I've already got the suspension done. I already bolted everything back up. Everything's in place now. Got that new spring, no preload though. And I cut that lip off of that one right there so that it would sit flush. And these are ready to go on the ground. Alright, so we'll put the camera at the same level as the wheel. I'm gonna put it down right now. Slow. Alright, we need to let it settle. Yep, spring looks good, sitting compressed.
Hey,
Working. Well, it's not on the ground, it's on the bricks. Well, I'm gonna drive it off right now. Yeah. I'm rubbing. Oh no. We're good. Oh, stop, wait, stop. Wait, stop. I'm hearing noises. Oh, there's no power steering fluid. Okay, now turn it off. Okay, we need to fill that shit up. It runs now. It's nice. It's a little lower than before. I was expecting it to be a lot lower, but I don't know.
it's a bit higher.
No way. Thank you guys for watching. There'll be more content on the way, trust me. We got Karen's car for content, this car we just got content for, and yeah, bunch of stuff. You know, we're not looking to make a living out of this, but we do think it's fun to enjoy, to see what we're working with and share it with the world. So yeah, peace out.